What is NEEDER? NEEDER is a new scheme released by the government, and that is National Digital Education Architecture. Now, as part of this scheme, all the schools, the teachers, and the students would be given a seamless digital learning experience. So, the framework for the same, the technology and the data would benefit not only the students but the whole of the education community, and this would be a accessible, all inclusive and evolving platform. So what is the basis for this platform? It is not an app, it is not a mobile application, it is not a portal, it is not a monolith platform, it is not a kind of perspective set for any kind of framework solution, but it is an architectural blueprint for educational system, and that's one of the most important things. There are four important things that would define NEEDER. One is the principles, which are based on the ecosystem and the technology. The second are the standards and the specifications for the same, the guidelines and the policies used for it, and then it would identify the key building block areas. Under this, there would be the actors, those who would be building and innovating the NEEDER platform. There would be applications and innovations in the form of the tools that the students can use, the assets that can be developed, and then the various achievement of the policy goals which would be part of it. So as part of the NEEDER mission, the idea is unifying education, not bringing in a uniform education. It is more based on a ecosystem driven platform. It is federated, unbundled and can be combined with various options. There is open access which would be provided to each of the students under this platform. Privacy is another important aspect which would be taken into account, and special needs students would be given a special focus. So under this, there is a multi-pronged strategy effort for making the online education much more effective and focusing on the various knowledge aspects and the knowledge goals. So what is the next important thing that we need to understand under NEEDER is there is one who wants to learn and one who is helping to learn. So anyone can learn at this platform and anyone can help them to learn, and therefore the teachers, the parents, the school community are part of it, the school students, the teachers training are again part of it. And three important platforms or three important pillars are the experience, interaction and collaboration. This would be successful either through the audio visual aids, for example televisions, desktops, mobile phones, web portals, the Tara chat, or the group discussions and group learning. So to bring in a multi-channel, multimodal learning curriculum is the basis for NEEDER. The content would be much more structured, curated and would be available across various channels. For example, Vidyadan, NIOS, NCERT, NGOs and private organizations. Through the Swayam Prabha, it would be available as shows, interactive quizzes through either the TV cable or the FM radio, or it would be available through the Swayam and the Diksha platform as e-content, e-courses, certification courses, MOOC courses, various podcasts, and would be both online as well as offline. So those are some of the basic things that have been the highlights of NEEDER. Very important, a new scheme which has been introduced this year and is important for your paper 1 examination. Now paper 1, we have this details of the course, and 2 live sessions are scheduled for the coming month. So students who are already registered would receive the links for the new classes that would be conducted based on expected topics and important topics like these. Thank you.